Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are hitting the roads again, and this time we are diving deep into the stunning landscapes of Northern Ireland. As you can see, the day is starting off in true Belfast fashion, a bit wet and blustery, but even the rain can't dull the excitement as we leave the city and head down the single carriageway on our first destination, which is one of the fans' most favorite fantasy, the Game of Thrones studio tour. And a quick change of pace here as we are moving on to the dual carriageway. It's hard to believe this landscape was home to so many epic battles and complex stories. Uh, the day is still a little gloomy, but as we move on to this motorway, uh, we have somewhat better visibility. So let's get to our first destination, the Game of Thrones studio. A quick stop for some photos and a little look at the scale of the studio. Ready to move from realm of fiction to the beauty of the very real rolling countryside. Now, this is what I came for. The roads get small, the houses get beautiful, and the views get absolutely immense. We are officially in the shadows of majestic Mourne Mountains. They often say you don't truly have driven in Northern Ireland until you have had a near miss with a rogue sheep. Apologies for the shaky cam. This was all captured on my phone as I didn't have a dash cam in the rental. But hopefully, you can still appreciate the quiet beauty of these stone walls and the misty grey sky, creating much of a dramatic backdrop. Making our way now towards the Peace Mage, the terrain is changing. We are on one of those quintessential country roads with a few fun ups and downs. You can feel the little dips in the roads. The moors are still dominating the horizon, reminding you just how wild and ancient this land is. The road is opening up a little, giving us these beauty empty stretches of tarmac. This drive is absolutely the pure, unspoiled countryside. There's a calming rhythm to this drive. Just me, the car, and the endless green fields. And now we'll transition through these amazing country roads. They are always so beautiful, narrow and winding, and always ever so dangerous with hedges on both sides. And you can never see what's coming from the other side on the curves. And the funny thing is, the speed limit on these roads are usually 60 miles per hour, which always gets a chuckle out of me. That, yeah, try doing 60 here. And the winter is also here, so you can see these leafless trees standing on both sides of these roads. It really looks really beautiful when they make canopy on top of the road, but sometimes I think if you have to drive here at night alone, the same beautiful canopies would look so scary to drive into. Yeah, uh, it's always which end of the spectrum you're looking at. You can also see some cattle grazing the fields. It's really a soothing experience. These kind of drives are the ones that don't tire you, but really lift your soul because not a lot of traffic. You are cruising through at a good pace. You're covering the distance, and the roads are this beautiful that just the roads alone can keep you going forever. Just play your favorite song, and you're set to go. And these tiny houses on the sides look really pretty. These always give me the thoughts that it would be so nice to be able to buy one of these and retire here. Wherever I go on such country roads, there are always these pretty small houses which are somewhat secluded. Makes you think, oh, it would be really fun to live here. Not a lot of interaction from the world. Uh, that's always my thought. And now we're inching close to our next and final destination for this day, the Spilga Dam. And these country roads are really a brief moment of stillness to admire the impressive Spelga Dam. It's always worth a stop, even if it's just for a quick photo. We start making our long return journey as the day draws to a close, the light is fading and the journey is taking us back into the lowlands. The road get a little more challenging in the dark, but there's a unique peacefulness to night driving here. And there it is, the unmistakable glow of the Belfast Ball or the Titanic Museum dome, letting us know we have made it back to the city limits. Good morning, everyone. We are back at it, and look at the difference a day makes. We are heading north this time, starting on a crisp, clear morning. A brief bit of concentration here, classic Northern Ireland driving, making the most of a good overtaking stretch on the single carriageway. And you can see a little bit of golden texture of the sky, the sunlight piercing through those cloudy skies, and you can see that blue haze. It's really amazing and fascinating. This is what really entices me to drive on an early morning. Just like that, the view opens up. We have reached the stunning coastline near the Ballywater beach and the park. The air is salty, the water is brilliant blue, and the atmosphere is completely different from yesterday's rain. The sea always feels like a reward from a good drive. I'll leave you with this final beautiful shot, the perfect mix of morning sun, blue sky, and those lovely country roads. Thank you so much for riding along with me on this Northern Ireland adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next journey. See you next time.